Hello everyone, today I'm gonna solve a hard problem from calculus. Let's start. Our problem is about sketching graph. Our graph is cubic parabola, y equals to x squared. Firstly, we find first derivative and make it to equal 0. When we do it, we will find in which intervals this function increases or decreases, or completely increasing or decreasing. Let's find. Find x equal to 0, we do it from minus infinity to plus infinity, and we give an integer from both intervals. For example, we give minus 1 to that part, and we find that this will be 3 because here, as you see, it's a quadratic parabola, quadratic function, and it becomes plus 3. It means in this interval from minus infinity to 0, our function is increasing. And when we give a number from other interval from 0 to plus infinity, for example 1, we see that it again becomes 3. It becomes plus 3, and this means that our function is increasing in the whole interval, starting from minus infinity to plus infinity, and it increases in the whole interval. Then secondly, we find second derivative to make it equal 0, and because then secondly we will find second derivative of this function to find where it's concave down, concave up, and its inflection point. Let's write our function x cubed. First derivative 3x squared, and second derivative is 6x. Make it equal to 0, and we find x equals to 0. We do it again from minus infinity to plus infinity. This is 0 because we find x is 0. Then we give a number from the both intervals. For example, we give minus 1 in the interval minus infinity to 0. We see that it becomes minus 6 from there. And this negative sign means our function in the interval minus infinity to 0, it is concave down. And we give an integer from the 0 to plus infinity in the interval. We see that, for example, when we give 1, we get plus 1. This is positive, and positive sign means in the interval from 0 to plus infinity, it's concave up. And we found a concave down and concave up, and we see that it changes from concave down from concave up. We can see that 0 is our actually inflection point. And then let me give some values for x to find y in the table. Okay, let's sketch the graph. And let's put the points according to our table. 0, 0 inflection point, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 8, 1, 1, and 2, 8. And then we just sketch the graph. Comes like this. As you see, it's all increasing in the interval from minus infinity to plus infinity, and here it's concave down, and at the 0, 0 point, inflection point, it changes to concave up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.